kids, have you ever wondered how big machines help build roads, buildings, and even parks? Today we're going to learn about some amazing construction machines and how they work together. Let's get started. First, meet the articulated dumper. This cool truck carries heavy stuff like dirt and rocks. It can move easily on bumpy roads because it bends in the middle. Once the dumper drops off its load, the ground needs to be ready for the next step. Next is the Backhoe Loader. This machine is like a big helper with two hands. One side digs big holes and the other side can lift and carry things. It's great for getting the site ready. After digging and moving dirt, we need to make the ground smooth. Here comes the bulldozer. With its big blade, it pushes dirt and rocks out of the way to make the ground flat. Bulldozers are super strong. Now the ground is flat and ready for paving. Time for the Asphalt Paver. This machine lays down hot asphalt to make roads. It spreads the asphalt smoothly and evenly. The fresh asphalt needs to be compacted. Look at the drum roller. It has a big, heavy drum that rolls over the asphalt to make it firm and smooth so cars can drive on it without any bumps. Let's move from road making to some other cool machines. Check out the concrete mixing truck. It carries and mixes concrete so it's ready to be poured for making sidewalks and foundations. Now let's see some machines that help in building structures. Meet the carry deck crane. It has a boom that lifts heavy things and can rotate all around. It's perfect for small construction sites. In the forest, we have the feller buncher. It cuts down trees and gathers them in bunches. It's like a big tree hugger with a saw. Next is the forest harvester. It cuts, strips, and cuts trees into logs, ready to be taken away. Back to the construction site, we need machines that move and shape the earth. This is an excavator. It has a long arm with a bucket at the end, perfect for digging big holes and moving lots of dirt. Here's the compact track loader. It's small but mighty and can fit into tight spaces to move dirt and materials around. This is a motor grater. It has a long blade that smooths out the ground, making it flat and even. Now let's look at machines that lift and move materials. Here's a forklift. It lifts and moves heavy loads on pallets. You'll see these a lot in warehouses and construction sites. Wow, we've seen so many amazing machines today. Each one has a special job that helps build the world around us. Thanks for watching and learning with us. See you next time, kids.